In this video, I will be showing you how to work Printify in Ethiopia. So if you want to sell something like shirts, mugs, and other products using Printify, it's also very important that you know how to create or design these products or items. And it's also important to know some tools that will help you create one. So now I'm going to show you or introduce to you Canva. What could Canva do except develop a fantastic, user friendly graphic design tool that anybody can use to produce great graphics, regardless of their prior experience or ability level? As print on demand services are rising in popularity, the t shirt creator on Canva, which makes it simple for users to create custom shirts, is one of its most well liked tools. So, how to create a shirt? Using one of Canva's pre-made templates makes creating a t-shirt design simple. Additionally, it is much less expensive than hiring a graphic designer. So as you can see, I'm just looking for any template or design here that I can use for my t-shirt design. But if you can't find anything, you just have to go to Google and then save a picture. For example, this one. I want to use this picture, but also I want to remove the background. So I just go to remove background and then upload the picture and then click remove background. And then here in Canva, all I have to do is to upload this picture again. Just click upload files and upload the picture. And you just have to wait a couple of seconds. Once done, all you have to do is to simply move this picture to this blank page. You can adjust the image. Everything is up to you if you want to put it in the left, right, or at the center. Okay, and then if you want to add some text or some words, all you have to do is to go to text and then kindly choose the best font for your design. So let's just say I want to tap this one, add a heading, and then I want to use the word keep the flame burning. As you can see, my image a is like a flame, or it's like burning, something like that. So you just have to type the word that you want to use for your t-shirt design, for your design. So you can also adjust the image, adjust the word here. Okay, and then you just have to simply tap the word and then click copy if you want to duplicate the word, and then change the word below. So keep the flame burning. Now you just have to simply change the font style. If you don't like, you just have to go to this part here and then choose the best or the most suited font style for you. You can also change the font size, the color, everything is up to you. Okay, so once you're done or once you're okay with the result or output, after adjusting everything here, all you have to do is just simply tap this share button at the top right corner and then click download. But you have to make sure that you are using the PNG. Okay, click download, tap PNG as it is suggested, and then download again. Okay, so you can see this on your download folder. Now you can now start to your Printify site. So all you have to do is to simply go to Printify. If you have not yet signed up, you just have to click sign up. They just need your email address, your password, click I'm not a robot, and then click sign up. But if you have your account with you, you just have to simply log in or sign up using your Google account. So this is what it looks like, and you just have to simply go to my new store. Okay, and actually you can explore if you want. Okay, so I have already my store here. I am connected to Etsy store. Now, if you want to add a new store, you just have to tap add a new store and then connect your store to any of the following here: Etsy, Shopify, Walmart. We have here eBay, WooCommerce, Squarespace, and so on. So you just have to tap any of this if you want to connect your store to any of the site here. And then after that, you can now simply add your product. Okay. So let's just say I am connected to Shopify or Etsy, something like that. To browse product, you just have to tap browse products and select a catalog here or a design. So let's just say I want to create a design or I want to sell t-shirt that is unisex that men and women can wear. So you just have to choose that. Apart from that, you can also choose anything here, accessories, gadgets. So let me tap this unisex short sleeve, tap start designing. And then here, all you have to do is to go to my device to import the design that you have created using your Canva or using Canva tool. Okay, tap this one and then look for the design that you have created earlier. This one here, click open, and then this is what it looks like. And actually, you can start or you can edit this. You can change the color of the shirt, change the width, the height, the size, everything is up to you. Okay, so you just have to explore, and then once you're okay with the output, you can click save product. Okay, change everything here if you want, and then change the color. You just have to tap color, or you just have to tap select, and then choose the perfect color for you, or choose the right color for you. Okay, and actually, you can click preview to see the output before you save this, before you sell this product. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And once you're okay with this, once you're done editing, size, height, everything here, the color, like what I've said earlier, all you have to do is to simply click Save Product. Okay, so once you tap Save Product, it will take you directly to the entire details of your item. So here you can simply change the product description, title. Okay, you can create your own title if you want. You can put your own description, product description. Okay, and then below here, you can simply change the variants, the pricing. If the price of small is different to medium, you can change it right here. And then once done, all you have to do is to simply review if you have connected your store here on your Printify. It could be your Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, eBay. Then after that, all you have to do is to click publish. And that's how easy it is to work Printify in Ethiopia. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.